Are your dash handles also bubbling? Let's replace them. When I was washing the car, I noticed that the chrome handles had an unsightly bubble. Of course, my mind immediately went to dollar signs. Turns out that replacing these trim pieces are relatively inexpensive and can be done quite quickly with a pair of pliers or a trim removal tool, if you're lucky. Part numbers linked in the description. I will update them if they are superseded. The trim itself is attached with these little locking tabs. The trim on the front doors is locked in place by pushing it forwards. The trim on the Falcon doors is secured by pushing it towards the rear of the car. To remove the trim, you just need to unsecure it in the opposite direction. The factory service manual recommends using a little trim tool so you don't damage any of the chrome trim. After a few repeated unsuccessful attempts with the trim tool, I moved on to level 2 persuasion devices. I was successful with a set of pliers and a shop towel. After the fact, I realized that since I was replacing the trim anyways, I didn't actually care about not scratching the trim. This whole process was really easy. It took a few minutes per corner. Just be careful that you don't pull the trim out towards you because you don't want to damage the underlying mechanism the trim attaches to. Removing the trim is actually the quote most difficult part. Once the trim's removed, installation is simple as snapping the pieces in place. Here you can see me installing the front doors and the Falcon wing doors. Note the direction that I'm pushing to secure the door trim. Overall, not bad. $30 to replace everything, looks good as new. Until next time.